This video outlines the steps to modify the Java Heap size setting for run on server Microsoft 365 backup job. Since AhsayCBS version 8.3.4.x, the Java Heap size setting for run on server Microsoft 365 backup job have been separated from the main Java Heap size setting, such as in the entire AhsayCBS process. To modify the Java Heap size setting for run on server Microsoft 365 backup job, follow the preceding steps. Go to the default path of the AhsayCBS folder. Click the Configuration folder. Then open the cbs.opt file with the text editor. If you cannot find the line for the Java Heap size, add the following entries to the end of the cbs.opt file. Or find and modify the values. Take note, XMX is to specify the maximum heap size, while XMS is to specify the initial heap size. After adjusting the Java Heap size, save and restart the AhsayCBS service. Open the Services app. Select Ahsay Cloud Backup Suite. Then click Restart.